Hello, my dear subscribers. Today I want to talk to you about this amazing beading designer. Um, no, once again, I'm not sponsored by anyone yet. Hopefully, one day I might be sponsored by someone, but not yet. I am just a really, really huge fan of Ruxandra Puscas. I think that's her name. I hope I pronounce it correctly. But she has an Etsy shop with tutorials, and I'm going to post a link in the description to her tutorials because her beadwork and techniques, they're just magical. I am completely in love with her style, with just with everything she makes. So this, for example, this part here, that is from her tutorial Winterland, and you can find it on her Etsy, in her Etsy shop. And it's so I turned that into a necklace. I love turning her tutorials and elements into necklaces because they make such amazing regal design. So anyway, here we are, and the video, the photos don't really do them justice, but the video, I'm hoping, will show them much better. So yes, her tutorials are one of the best beading investments I ever made. Look at the back. Look at the back of them. I mean, they are just, I mean, look at it from the back. You can wear it completely backwards. She is just a genius. So there we are. That is one necklace that I just actually completed today. And then this one I completed a while back. And like this part of it, the hexagonal part of it, is from the flower dome tutorial. You can look it up. I make like various substitutions and kind of take my own paths a little to make these necklaces. But if you look at her tutorials, they're just stunning on their own. But if you study them for a while, you can make such unbelievable pieces by combining the tutorials that she makes. So yeah, I tried getting as many of her tutorials as I possibly could because they're just, to me, they're real magic in this world. If the magic exists, it's her beadwork, and it's unbelievable. Just to finally to wrap it up a little quickly, I'll show you the back of this. I mean, look at that. Look at that. I mean, she is a genius. They're beyond words what she makes. And she makes photo tutorials, so you really get a good view. I know some people prefer diagram tutorials, but her photo tutorials are fantastic. I never had any issues following any of her directions. So yes, I highly, highly recommend her as a bead designer. She is absolutely amazing. So yes, I'll put the link in the description box, and head on over and just see for yourself. See for yourself the kind of pieces that she creates. Well, I'm a huge, huge, huge fan of her beadwork, as you probably gathered. So see you later for dollar beadbox unboxing. So I'll come back. I'll try to do that today also. I'm still waiting for it to arrive. And see you soon. Have a lovely day. Bye.